An old saying goes, you are what you eat. But in today's fast-paced world, it might be more accurate to say, you are what you think. Your thoughts play a significant role in determining your actions and overall life success. That's why investing in your mind is essential by filling it with positive, empowering thoughts. Hello everyone! Welcome to Invest Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to this channel. This video will talk about 10 techniques to invest in your mind, improving money mindset. To cut further ado, here are the 10 techniques. Technique number 1. Be grateful for what you have. It can be easy to focus on what we don't have and what we wish we could afford. But this only leads to feelings of frustration and dissatisfaction. Instead, take a moment each day to appreciate all that you have been able to achieve. Perhaps you're grateful for a roof over your head or for being able to put food on the table. Maybe you are thankful for your health or for having a job that allows you to support yourself and your family. Whatever you are grateful for, taking the time to appreciate it will help you cultivate a more positive relationship with money. In turn, this will open up new opportunities for financial abundance. So if you want to improve your money mindset, start by being grateful for all you already have. Technique number 2. Practice mindfulness to calm the mind and focus on the present moment. It's no secret that our thoughts can significantly impact our lives. What we think about ourselves, our abilities, and the world around us can influence our behavior, emotions, and physical health. So it stands to reason that if we want to improve our lives, one of the best places to start is by improving our mindset. One powerful technique to do this is meditation or mindfulness. When we meditate, we focus on the present moment and let go of all the worries, stresses, and distractions that clutter our minds. This can help calm and focus the mind, setting the stage for more positive thinking. Additionally, regular meditation can reduce stress levels, improve sleep, and boost overall well-being. If you're looking for a way to invest in your mind and improve your life, consider giving meditation or mindfulness a try. You may be surprised at how much of a difference it can make. Technique number 3. Journal your thoughts and feelings about money. If you're looking for a technique to invest in your mind and improve your money mindset, look no further than journaling. By writing down your thoughts and feelings about money, you can begin to understand your relationship with it and identify areas where you may need to make some changes. For example, if you tend to worry a lot about money or feel anxious when making financial decisions, journaling can help you understand why this is and work on changing your mindset. Similarly, if you find that you're always putting others' needs before your own when it comes to money, journaling can help you become more aware of this tendency and work on changing it. In short, journaling is a powerful tool that can help you understand your money mindset and make any necessary changes. Technique number 4. Visualize yourself being successful with money. While it may seem like positive visualizations is only relevant to athletes or actors, anyone can benefit from this powerful technique. When it comes to money, visualizing yourself as successful can help to change your mindset and improve your financial situation. Studies have shown that people who imagine themselves achieving their goals are more likely to achieve them in real life. When you focus on success, you are more likely to take the necessary steps to achieve it. To use this technique, simply close your eyes and imagine yourself in the future, where you are financially secure and free from money worries. Picture yourself saving money, investing wisely, and living a comfortable lifestyle. The more detailed and realistic, your visualization will be more effective. With some practice, you can train your mind to think positively about money and set yourself up for success. Technique number 5. Deal with your fear and anxiety around money. Many people have a fear or anxiety around money that prevents them from reaching their financial goals. If you're struggling with your money mindset, here is a technique that can help. The first step is to become aware of your thoughts and feelings about money. Do you tend to worry about not having enough? Or do you feel guilty or shameful when you spend? Once you're aware of your thoughts and feelings, start challenging them. Are they true? For example, if you're worried about not having enough, remind yourself that you can always earn more. If you feel guilty when you spend, ask yourself whether the purchase is worth the guilt. By challenging your negative thoughts and emotions, you can start to change your money mindset. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Technique number 6. Identify your limiting beliefs about money and start to challenge them. A lot of people have different mindsets when it comes to money. Some people might think they don't deserve to be rich or will never be good with money. These are called limiting beliefs. If you have any kind of negative belief about money, it can hold you back from achieving financial success. So how can you identify your own limiting beliefs about money? First, take a look at your attitudes and behaviors around money. Do you tend to spend impulsively or make careless decisions with your finances? If so, this could signify that you have some negative beliefs about money. Second, identify any specific incidents or experiences that may have shaped your beliefs about money. For example, if you grow up in a family always struggling to make ends meet, this could have influenced your beliefs about money. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs about money, it's time to start challenging them. Ask yourself why you believe these things and whether or not they're true. Just because you've always felt something doesn't mean it's true. Technique number 7. Set goals and work towards them. Another technique to invest in your mind and improve your money mindset is setting goals and working towards them. By setting specific financial goals, you can stay focused and motivated to make positive changes in your spending and saving habits. Once you have established your goals, create a budget and stick to it. This will help you track your progress and ensure that you're making progress towards your goal. Finally, review your goals regularly and adjust them to keep yourself on track. Technique number 8. Be proactive in learning about personal finance and investing. Although a lot of information is available, it can be challenging to know where to start. However, a few fundamental techniques can help you get started on the right track. Firstly, set aside some time each week to read about personal finance and investing. This will ensure that you are constantly gaining new knowledge and insights. Secondly, take advantage of online resources and forums. These platforms provide an excellent opportunity to ask questions and learn from others in the same situation as you. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional advice if you need it. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and help you develop a plan that suits your unique circumstances. Technique number 9. Practice self-compassion and forgive yourself for past mistakes. Self-compassion is a critical skill for anyone looking to improve their money mindset. Why? Because self-compassion allows us to forgive ourselves for past mistakes and move on from them. It also helps us to be more kind and understanding when we make future mistakes, which we all will at one point or another. The first step to practicing self-compassion is recognizing that you are not alone in your struggles. Everyone makes mistakes, and everyone has moments of doubt or setbacks. What matters is how you respond to those moments. A crucial part of self-compassion is recognizing that you are worthy of forgiveness, even if you don't yet feel like it. Forgiving yourself is a process, but it's an essential step on the road to improving your money mindset. Technique number 10. Keep a positive attitude. Many people think they need to make more money to improve their financial situation. While earning more money can help, it's not the only or most critical factor. The key to improving your finances is to invest in your mind. Think about it this way. If you want to get in shape, you don't just buy a gym membership or new workout clothes. You also need to change your mindset and develop healthy habits. It's the same with money. You must establish a healthy relationship with money to improve your financial situation. This means changing the way you think about money and learning how to handle it responsibly. The more effort we put into improving our money mindset, the better off we will be financially. What are some techniques you plan on using to invest in your mind? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.